Hi, good morning. It's a rainy day today. As I woke up, it was all windy, cloudy, and all I could see through my window was a park that's getting drenched in rain. As I started my day, I was much lethargic to start it, so I was in bed for a long time today. I didn't feel at ease to sleep again, but didn't feel it comfortable enough to wake up again and get going. So I was just laying around trying things to just make me get up. Afterwards, as I thought that it's time to just get up and start doing stuff, make your breakfast and do the project that's due on tomorrow. Yes, I procrastinated it for the whole week. As I was started doing it, I saw the clouds pouring in and the window was quite open and the breeze was coming in. Time and time went and the rain the rain began to be a bit strong and it started to interrupt me in my work. It started to come in and it drenched my pages I was making for the presentation I had tomorrow. So I did one thing. Just so that's what I did. I closed the window so that rain couldn't come in and I wouldn't be bothered. So window was like the barrier that created the rain. The rain which was a few minutes ahead, quite soothing and calming, helped me get up and made me quite happy when I wake up. But as it went stronger, it didn't allow me to feel well and I just made a barrier. But did that barrier or the window stop the rain? I guess no. I don't have that supernatural power to do so. What it did was it made a bridge, sorry, it made a barrier and it stopped coming in. And what was the profit? My pages weren't drenched anymore. They're quite fine. But was it if the rain was going in and I would have stopped it through the window? No one else might knew that it's raining. But will that stop the rain? That's a massive aeroplane. That brought in a more interesting question, the aeroplane. Might be that I close the window and the rain won't pour in and I won't see it, but the window gets all wet and drenched with rain. And also the thunder that starts and the storm, they'll shake the window, they'll make the noise, not that loud as it is outside, but maybe louder enough to make me aware that it's there. What I mean is sometimes consider the outside to be a within and the arena out here to be the outside. How people perceive you is what they see through the window. If you show them the clear sky, they appreciate it. If you shower them with a cool breeze, they love it. But when you start to pour in and the water fills on their face and they just shut the window, it's hard for them now to see the rain. It's still there on the windows, but they can't see it that well because they shut the door on your face. And now you feel all that's going on. It's still there. Outside it's still raining. The within it's still drenching. But no one sees it, right? Or sometimes you don't want to make them see it because they might not understand. People might not always be understanding because they might have their own authorities and their own values or their own validations to seek. It's not always you who might be in the priority list and not always you who is going to be there. You being there is not always them supporting you. I might not make sense for these two lines, but the thing is, the rain didn't stop. It was my park almost, the rain didn't stop. My park almost drowned, and my room didn't feel it. Why, why, why are we supposed to be like that and just shut a window and think that our inside is not feeling anything when it is? Letting people not understand is quite understandable that they won't validate you, but letting yourself not feel what's inside within you might be problematic. I started doing my project again with the shut window and I couldn't get that much light, and in the morning I don't feel like lighting up the artificial one. The natural light seems to be very clear and soothing for my eyes too, but I was getting less of it. Also, as I said, I was not feeling that great in the morning. I started feeling more bit of sick kind of feeling when there was not so much light and the wind wasn't blowing that cool. I started feeling that thrust in my chest, which felt like the thunder that I was hearing less and less because of the window. It might be the rain that poured couldn't be seen, but the thunder never stops. It's there, it's pounding, it's making you uncomfortable. No one sees it, you feel it, and you do nothing until it's strong enough to scare you, and you step ahead to think what to do. But no one sees the rain, so they don't know what to do with the thunder. The rain stopped, but my window grills are still having some part of it. Thunder stopped, maybe shouted on 100 people, and then scared a few, and then grounding it within stopped. Maybe they felt unused here, not that beneficial to be shown, and maybe they'll thunder somewhere else. These are heard, not the within. The rain, I guess, has stopped. I'm feeling quite better, but the rain gone and vain.